Hey guys, my name is Dawnita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlog, and of course my main hair reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we are doing a DIY today, so we're gonna be right back. Hey y'all, so I wanted to come on here and talk about how I was able to create this hairstyle. I did use a long standing mirror that was behind me, and I have a mirror in front of me. So that's how I was able to see my parts and get them nice and crisp. I had ordered this hair off of Amazon. I didn't order the hair from Outre or Sensational because I didn't want to spend that much money, and I don't have a hair store near me. So I got 8 packs in one, but I had to order another 8 packs, if that makes sense. But total, I used about 10 or 11 packs of hair, and they are like very small. I was able to section my hair off. I did pre-braid it because I wanted to do the crochet method. And honestly, I don't have any issues. It doesn't hurt, and it's very lightweight. Y'all, being an influencer has its days because I ran out of hair and it's 2 days later. So this is how much hair I'm using, and Amazon didn't come until freaking 8 o'clock at night. I'm like, bruh, Sunday, like I have work tomorrow. I don't feel like doing this. So I'm doing the crochet method because I feel like it just makes it look like it's coming from my scalp. And this particular hair is a little on the naughty side, or nappy side I should say. It definitely knots up and it definitely gets nappy. So I just braid it and then make sure you're twisting it the correct way. You will know because your twist will look funny. Using a butter cream. I'm using TGIN buttercream so it can hold and lock in all the moisture in my hair, so I don't have to worry about really worry about my hair drying out. So my ring light died. I had to charge it. Today is definitely todaying, I should say. But the hair that I got, it's not the best brand. I didn't want to spend a lot of money purchasing the Sensational or Outre brand. So I got a cheap brand off of Amazon. I will say it looks pretty good, you know, once it's in its style, but it's nothing like special. So I have pre-braided and pre-sectioned my hair. I'm going to loop it in. Take a little bit of, and I twist. Try to make sure this is even. Sorry if y'all could hear my washing machine in the background. Okay, and now I'm going to twist. Make sure it's twisting the correct way. Otherwise, you will have to take it out and redo it. Honestly, I wish I would have chose the color 2, because this is a 1B and I feel like it's very, very dark. So once it gets down to the end, just cut it.